Hello, good afternoon, good morning, and good evening, all around the world who's watching. Welcome to the second episode of Blessed and Blessing. And I get the opportunity to interview business partners who have been successful in this business, to hear their journey, to know about you. And it's my pleasure today to have Harpreet from Melbourne. She stays quite close to me, and we haven't met, and this is the first time we are meeting each other. So nice to have you with us, Harpreet. Thanks again for taking time out.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Irina, for inviting me this interview. I'm so glad you asked me and I got opportunity to talk live to the
It's my
people.
pleasure. My pleasure. My pleasure. And I would really love to know more about your background. More about yourself. What do you do? And before you joined the digital business, what were you doing? It'll be really nice to hear that, and I'm sure the viewers would also be keen to know your story.
Yeah, sure, why not? My name is Harpreet Kaur, and basically, I'm from India, and I came here in Australia in 2015, not a long time ago. And I live with my husband and two daughters, and I worked in the health sector.
Mhm.
So yeah, basically from India, and belongs to Sikh family.
Okay, that's wonderful. That's so good. How did you know about this business, and what was your reason for joining the digital business?
Okay. Actually, I work like I was working 5 days, like full time. I was full time work woman, and being a like mother of two daughter, I was so busy, and I was thinking sometime I was so busy, like I couldn't have time for myself, and sometime I have avoided my daughters too, and so I was thinking why not should do something online, anything. So I was like searching something online, business, work from home, like from Google, and after it shows me a online business ads, and I just click on that, and it was very nice ad of my lovely coach Prabjot Virk, and I just click on that, and they I like my journey started. So I
That's
asked
so
what
good.
this business is, and she just explained me like the steps, and I was moving forward, and I really liked that business, and I stepped in.
That's wonderful. I think that is the reason a lot of us have stepped into it. Time, we all have struggling with time. Like for
Yeah.
me, at work, I used to take a lot of time commuting to work, and then the stress at work. Corporate life was very difficult, and I felt like I needed time for myself to take care of health for our children, and that was one of the reasons I stepped into this business also. And it's good to know your story, Harpreet. And just wanted to, there's a lot of things good about this business. It's not like the typical business where your traditional way of business where you have to give a lot of time. I just wanted to know from you, what are the top three things that you like about this business? I mean, for me, I felt that business was so easy to set up, and there was
Yeah.
no the training provided was awesome. And I just wanted to know from you, what is your opinion about this business and the whole package that is offered as part of this business?
Like I searched many things doing online, and most of the business like had a huge amount of investment, huge amount of your time, and a bit of risk too. So this business, like I really like, it doesn't need any experience at all. That's the best thing anyone can do this business. So I didn't have any prior experience before joining this business. I was not very active at social media, like the thing like this, the training they provide us step by step, so we have all the full support from the community, so we don't have to worry about. That's the best thing I like this. And moreover, the flexibility, like me as a busy mom and working full time, I need a flexibility to work online. So this business gave me opportunity to work anytime, anywhere. So when my daughter's sleeping, I just open my laptop and work. So that's the best thing too. And even we are not alone here. If we stuck or if we have any doubts, we have a global community support. So whenever we stuck or we have confusion and we need a sport or we need to answer some questions, so all the sport is here. So that's the best thing of this business.
That is very true. Like even I was not a social media user to that level, but then I realized we do spend a lot of time in Facebook, in
Yes,
YouTube, and why not leverage that time to do something that will benefit you and your family, earn additional income in the side, and that's why I thought maybe we should step into this. And I agree with what you just mentioned: the training that is provided, the community support, the
yes,
availability of a full-time mentor for you who will guide
yes,
you through the process. This was
yes,
all very appealing to me. I totally agree with that, and the training is step by step. It's like it's so detailed, and so basically, it is a digital marketing business, and it is about using various social media platforms for the
yes.
sake of and they give you the marketing tools, the email campaigns. I just
Yeah,
found this
yes, that's the main thing. Because when I was doing my training, like, it was so new things, but the support and the training, like they built the training steps as like everyone, any newcomer can do it. You don't have to be tech savvy, you don't have to be very good on computer, like extraordinary. So that's the best thing.
Yes, and no marketing experience needed. I think I have gained a wealth of knowledge just understanding about, just the training that is provided. I think it is really excellent way, the
Yeah,
package that is provided, and the masterminds that we have weekly
yeah,
where
yeah, that's a great
people
thing. Yeah.
yeah, the people around the world share their experience about how they are doing in this business. What are the best practices? Their advice to everyone. I think it is a real. I love the community spirit and the attitude of just giving to others. It's not like this. I don't find competition here in this community.
Yeah.
It's just so much of giving back to the people who helped you.
Yes,
So
yes, true.
just maybe one more question. I don't want to take a lot of time. I thought it's just a quick chat, and there are a lot of people who has this desire of venturing into a business so that they can
Mhm.
live life more independently, have time and financial freedom. But they're always skeptical. They have this fear in them: is this a scam? Is this something that we can trust? Um,
I was
uh, and
yes,
that
I was
stops
one of
them
them.
and that stops them from taking the next step, like they just get stuck and they don't move outside the comfort zone and continue
Yeah.
to do their 9 to 5 jobs. I think your work is you can be replaceable at your work. You're just a number in their in the records.
Yeah.
And I just wanted to know from you, what is your opinion, and what do you recommend such people? What is your advice to them?
Yeah, I know there are many people like who thinks is this scam or what. Like, I was one of them, but to be honest, it's a real business. It's a legit business. So you won't regret it. So you can see like the people who like have watched the webinar, they are in one of our business group and how we are growing day by day so fast. So at the moment we are 70K member of this business. So this is a true business. So whoever are like fence sitter, trust me, you join this business, you won't regret it at all. You will be provided all the training, all the tools. So every support will be there whenever you need support. 24/7 global community, all the training and tools provided. So yeah,
That is, I totally agree with you because I just feel like when I joined, there was just 40,000 members in the community, and in a short span, I saw it grow to 70,000.
yeah,
And So it is so legit, and people are, paying taxes for the income that they receive from this business, and it
Yes.
is a totally legit business. So yes, but I would recommend everyone to do their due diligence, check it out, find
Yes.
out if this is something that will work for you and your family. Are you do you like the business model? And it's all about the mindset. I mean, every business has um, it's like every other business. It is not a quick rich scheme, and you
Yes.
just need to do your hard work and it'll
Yes.
pay off. You
Yes.
need to give your business attention, your time, and you need to nurture your business basically like every other business, and it will prosper. So that's wonderful. Is there
Yes.
anything else
And
you want to say, Harpreet?
yeah, moreover, I think this business is not like a typical job or typical business. It's like very fun business. You are on social media, you are just doing something like social advertising and social, you are connecting to people. And it's not like you are just 9 to 5, your boss, you are your own boss when you start
That's
this business.
that's
So
true.
yeah, that's like really, I feel like it's blessing. I'm really glad that I joined this, and now like I'm here. My family is there. My daughters are playing behind me. So yeah, that's a flexibility
I
and
think
freedom.
one of the regrets that everyone has in this business is, why did I not join this early enough? So
I
even
took,
I,
I took around, I think, around 1 month to decide. I was like, should I join? Should I not? I was like this, and one day I was like, I was going through all the posts like people success story, and I see real people. It's when we join the community, I can see all the real faces. They are not a fake profile at all. Even that huge amount of member of any group can't be a fake, can't be a scam.
that's
So
true.
I said, why not give a try? It's not a big deal. Just give it a try. I'm really glad I just took that action.
That's true. So good, Harpreet, and I just want to wish you all success in this coming year. Hope you do really well, more successful than what you are currently, and just glad to have your time. Thank you for coming and joining me here, and thank you for everyone who's viewing us. Just leave in a comment where you're from, and do reach out to any one of us if you have more questions. So that's all from me. Good, Harpreet.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.